Dr. Dan, why is Unicity Science so different from other companies out there?
Well, it sounds cliche to say, but Unicity Science, we actually do science. We focus on the science. We are a science-based company. The roots of our company go back, the scientific roots of our company go back over 100 years. And so we focus on the science, we love the science, we discover our own formulations, we discover our own raw ingredients, we do clinical studies on our products, and that's really the key differentiator. A lot of companies in our space, they do a little bit of science and a lot of marketing. Here at Unicity, we do a lot of science and just a little bit of marketing.
What sets Unicity apart in terms of their research that makes it so different?
We never launch any product unless we have bona fide clinical studies behind that product. Now, other companies in our space in the nutritional supplement industry say they have clinical studies, but their clinical studies are maybe on a single ingredient that they get from a supplier. But that ingredient is in their product, but it's only at, I don't know, 2% or 1% of the formula. We run clinical studies on our finished product.
Wow.
With big sponsoring institutions, not just in-house, but we collaborate with groups like the Cleveland Clinic, the Mayo Clinic, Rochester University, and universities outside of the country, like Chulalongkorn University in Thailand. So a lot of companies in our space, when they want to formulate a new product and they need ingredients, they will look for vendors, salespeople to come in that have ingredients to give to them. And that's fine. That's all fine and good. We have many vendors. You know, I have like 10 vendors a day wanting to come in and talk to us. But at Unicity, we're different because we actually politely decline their request to come in and give us ingredients. And that's because we go out and we find our own ingredients. Actually, just last night I was in the Mojave Desert for 4 or 5 days looking for new ingredients in medicinal plants. A month ago I was in Hawaii. We scour the globe literally looking for plants, medicinal plants, isolating their bioactive compounds, doing clinical studies on those ingredients, securing patents and exclusivity for Unicity. What that means to our Unicity partners is that they have a product that literally cannot be found anywhere else in the world.
So some of our products are listed in the physician's desk reference.
Right.
How powerful is that to have?
Yeah, the physician's desk reference is the #1 medical resource in the world. Included in this reference, which is published annually, are all of the top pharmaceutical drugs. So the PDR certifies that these products are pharmaceutical grade, which is what they are. In a lot of ways, Unicity, we are a pharmaceutical grade company trapped in a nutraceutical company's body.
Wow.
And the reason why we do that is if we went all pharmaceutical, only doctors would be able to prescribe our products. We have a much broader scope and passion and desire for that. We want everybody, the whole world, to have our products, which is why we use the current model we do. At Unicity Science, we have over 70 different research projects going on at any given time. And these projects are in a whole myriad variety of different areas of human health. We're the world leader in matcha. We have our Matcha Research Institute in Japan, where we are analyzing and studying new forms of matcha with different bioactive properties. We continue to run clinical studies. And as I mentioned, we have our medicinal plant initiative, where we scour the earth, travel the world. We isolate endemic medicinal plants. We look for their bioactive properties. We secure exclusivity, patents, cultivation, so that we are at the cutting edge. One of the biggest areas that we're focusing on is a topic called the microbiome. Now, most people probably don't know what that word means, but I guarantee you, in less than 5 years, everybody will know what the microbiome means.
So any last thoughts to share with us?
Well, it's been a pleasure talking with you. I appreciate the great leadership of you and your Impact team. And I want to say to the Impact team that here at Unicity Science, we have products that literally can change the world.